Good morning, all. I'm Bharathwaj. I'm given a topic called process innovation and business process reengineering. So let's start with process innovation. Process innovation basically means implementation of a new or a significantly improved production or a delivery system, which includes like a significant changes in techniques, equipment, or software. It actually results in an entirely a new process. For example, recently Tesla has changed their production of their car equipments with the robotic machines, which substantially reduces the manpower required for production of such car parts. So, however, the following may not be treated as process innovations, which are like a simple capital replacement may not be considered as a process innovation. Second is trading of a newly improved products are not considered as process innovation, or ceasing to use a product is not considered as a process innovation, or changes resulting from due to customization or regular seasoning or other cyclical changes are not considered as process innovation. The process innovations falls into any one of the following categories. First one is production. Production which relates to process, equipment or technology to enhance the manufacturing or production processes. Second, second category which process innovation falls into is a delivery system. Delivery system involves tools, techniques, and software solutions to help in supply chain of delivery systems. Third category is support services, which relates to purchasing, maintenance, or accounting areas. Further, let's move on to business process reengineering. In the year 1989, Michael Hammer, ex-professor in MIT College, published an article in quotes, reengineering work, semicolon, don't automate or obliterate, which means that if you don't automate in your process, you will be obsolete and no one will be interested in your product you're trying to sell. Although prior to this article, that many companies has been experimenting with reengineering principles. However, the word reengineering came into prominence after this article published by Michael Hammer in the year 1989. So moving on, what is BPR? BPR is a fundamental rethink and radical redesigning of business process to achieve dramatic improvements in critical contemporary measures of performance such as cost, quality, service, speed. There are four main components in BPR. Fundamental rethinking. Fundamental rethinking is basically what we do, why we do, which is like you should seek the purpose of what you're trying to do. Second component of BPR is radical redesigning. Radical redesigning basically means that relying on fresh start, that is a clean slate approach. The goal here is to reinvent what is done and how it is done. So next component is dramatic improvements. Dramatic improvement, it simply implies that the fundamental rethinking and radical redesigning will actually aims in giving a bigger quantum leaps in performance. For example, the re-engineering process of Ford's procurement process reduce the number of persons employed in the process by 75%. So basically, it gives you like a big, not like a small change. It will give you a big change in your. It may be in any sectors like production or procurement or sales and whatnot. So the fourth and final component of BPR is end-to-end business processes. BPR actually takes a holistic view of business process as comprising a string of activities that cuts across traditional and department or functional lines. It is actually concerned with the results of a process with activities that add value to the process. The third area where I'm stressing about in BPR is the main stages involved in BPR are process identification, process reassembly, process rationalization, and process redesign. So in conclusion, BPR results in improving the existing process. However, process innovation results in entirely a new process. So that is what been given to talk. Thank you.